Michael, Terry, everybody. I just want to welcome you all to the Tour de Isan. This is our second annual ride, so it's going to be the best ever. No, we've made a couple of slight improvements over last year, as we do every year, and it should be a pretty nice ride.
Oh, it's great. It's raining, but it's not too bad. It's warm, so it's no big problem. It's good. Everyone's met each other and it's fun. Yeah, it's great. Looking forward to going.
Feel great. It's a little rainy out today, but you know, it's rainy season. And that's one of the reasons that the Tour de Isan is so beautiful, because all of this rain, of course, inspires growth, and growth is what gives us about 1 million different shades of green.
ลำชีทอดแขนผ่านแดนอีสานมานานหล่อเลี้ยงลูกหลานอยู่อุดมสมบูรณ์ไหลล่องลงใต้กอดกับสายน้ำมูลกอดเกลียวเกื้อกูลไหลเรื่อยลงลำน้ำโขงท่านดินอีสานในอ้อมกอดของพี่น้อง
Now we go to hotel.
How was your first day? Oh, very good, very good. Nice day, the weather was great, stayed cool, a little bit of rain, but no big deal.
The weather, of course, being the rainy season, we had some sprinkles here and there, a couple late night downpours with lightning that kept us up, but overall the riding was spectacular.
I wonder how, I wonder why. Yesterday you told me about the blue, blue sky, and all that I can see is just a yellow lemon tree. I'm turning my head up and down, I'm turning, 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 turning around, and all that I can see is just another lemon tree. Sing, da,
But did everybody leave the water stop yet?
Yeah.
Okay, so everybody.
Yours is the last person. He lived the last person.
Okay. I'm sorry.
Yours is the last one who leaves the water stop.
Yours?
Yes.
Oh, Joost.
Fantastic. Let's do it again. Muddy, they said. Right in the sunshine of Thailand, they said.
We do day tours, we do multi-day trips, we do trips anywhere around Thailand at the moment. So basically, people could hire us and come and do these tours any time of the year. Now, the Tour de Thailand and the Tour de Isan are both charity rides, which we feel is important because we want to get a large group of people to come and really see Thailand, but also give back to the community. We come from Nong Khai, and we go to Ubon Ratchathani. We're on bicycle. We call it the Tour de Isan. Okay guys, now that we've finished cycling for the day, we're going to take you to a very beautiful temple called Wat Phu Tok.
It's sure tranquil and beautiful, and we couldn't have a better outlook than that. We're looking now towards Laos and the mountains of northern Laos. We can't see the Mekong River from here, but it lies several kilometres over in that direction.
This makes the bridge over the River Kwai look quite tame, doesn't it?
We're going to make a circuit of this rock and hopefully find a way down when we get to the end. not, we're going to be up here for quite a while.
Hey, look at this. This is my Tour de Isan.
หวังแค่เพียงเธอมีใจให้สักหน่อยเฝ้าแต่รอคอยเพียงเธอบอกรักมาสุขใจยิ่งนักที่ฉันได้เพียงแค่มองตากับเธอก็สุขสุดหัวใจก็สุขสุดหัวใจOh yeah.
We also want to show them Thailand in a very unique way. You know, they get to see the countryside and all the sites, the UNESCO World Heritage sites and everything in between, like nobody else sees it. You know, we don't just put them on a tour bus and, you know, head them up the highway 100 kilometers an hour. They see every little bit along the way. They meet local villagers, they meet, you know, politicians, they meet, you know, people from all over Thailand. So it's really the best way to see Thailand.
Hey boy, won't you take me out tonight? I'm not afraid of all the reasons why we shouldn't try. Hey boy, won't you make me out tonight? I get excited when I think of climbing into your eyes.
That spot we want to regroup and kind of ride into town together because we want to stop by the Tourism Authority of Thailand office in Nakhon Panom and take a couple pictures with them as our way of thanking them for all the support they've given us. Our main sponsor, the Tourism Authority of Thailand, really is starting to understand this, and so we're focusing together on improving tourism to Thailand, not just, you know, growing it, but also improving the quality of the tourism.
Amazing Thailand!
Calling occupants of interplanetary craft. Calling occupants of interplanetary ultra emissaries.
And then we'll cruise on down the river to our luxurious hotel, and we'll let you check into your rooms, and maybe we'll have a little pool party before we go out for a boat ride.
To your machines, men.
We are your friends.
That was just a taste of the Tour de Isan. Come and join us next time for the vacation of a lifetime that will greatly improve the lives of children in need through Operation Smile.